The 2025 Kenworth W1250 Motorhome is not just a vehicle. It's a rolling luxury suite, built for long-distance adventure and serious comfort. Welcome back to Honest Auto Wheels, where we explore the machines that move the world. Today, we're diving deep into the brand-new Kenworth W1250 Motorhome, a next-level powerhouse that's redefining life on the road. Right from the start, the W1250 makes a bold statement. With its iconic long-nose Kenworth design and aggressive chrome detailing, it commands attention wherever it rolls. The grille is massive, the headlights are sleek LED units, and the custom bodywork blends rugged truck styling with luxury RV vibes. It's built on a reinforced heavy-duty chassis, giving it the strength to handle cross-country trips with ease, even while towing toys or trailers. Under the hood, the W1250 doesn't mess around. Powered by a 15-liter Packer MX-13, 250 engine pushing out over 510 horsepower and 1,350 lb-ft of torque. This beast has enough power to climb mountains, cut through wind, and cruise highways like a king. The smooth 12-speed automated transmission ensures effortless shifting, even under load. And the ride quality is surprisingly refined thanks to advanced air suspension technology. Step inside, and you'll understand why this isn't just a motorhome, it's a mobile mansion. The interior is crafted with premium materials, real hardwood cabinetry, leather seating, and LED ambient lighting. The living space features a full-sized leather couch, smart entertainment system with a 55-inch 4K TV, and a digital control hub to manage lighting, temperature, and security. Everything is voice-controlled and connected to your mobile device, giving you a futuristic yet comfortable environment. The kitchen is fully equipped with a convection microwave, residential-size refrigerator, induction cooktop, and deep stainless steel sink. There's even a dedicated dining booth, and all appliances are energy efficient. The W1250 includes a full bathroom with a walk-in shower, porcelain toilet, and even a washer-dryer combo. Perfect for extended road trips without compromise. Sleeping arrangements are top tier. The master suite comes with a queen or optional king-size bed, custom storage, a second TV, and built-in charging stations. Noise insulation and blackout shades make it feel like a high-end hotel room, even when parked next to a busy highway or rest stop. Driving the Kenworth W1250 is surprisingly stress-free, thanks to driver assist tech like adaptive cruise control, lane departure warnings, and a 360-degree camera system. Maneuvering this giant feels more like piloting a luxury SUV than a semi. And with its extended fuel range and solar-charged auxiliary battery systems, you're ready for long off-grid adventures without worry. In conclusion, the 2025 Kenworth W1250 Motorhome isn't just transportation, it's transformation. It turns any journey into a first-class experience, blending the power of a commercial truck with the comfort of a five-star hotel. Whether you're a cross-country traveler, digital nomad, or weekend warrior, this rig is built to exceed expectations. Thanks for tuning in to Honest Auto Wheels. If you enjoyed this review, hit like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments. Would you take the Kenworth W1250 on your next big adventure? Safe travels, and see you in the next one!